Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn in Python while loop, break statement and continue statement. So let's see the explanation regarding these three statements. First of all, while loop. The while loop in Python is used to repeat a block of statements for given number of times until the given condition is correct. That means it starts with the condition. If the condition is true, then the statement inside the while loop will be executed. Otherwise, if the given condition is false, then it will not be executed at least once. It means while loop may execute 0 or more time. So here below the syntax of while loop, first of all, in Python the body of the while loop is determined through indentation. So give a tab, then while statement, then test expression, that is your condition, then put a colon to end the loop. Then inside while loop we have to mention the body of while loop statement. So let's see the following while loop with an example. So here I open my IDLE and here I have to take new one file, and inside we have to check to print hello 5 times. Okay, I have to print this word hello 5 times. So for this, first of all, we need a variable. Okay, we know that in a loop, when we apply any condition, first of all we have to know that the initial value, the beginning and the end of the value, that is the condition. Okay, so we have to store that particular initial value. So I put I equals 0. I is my variable and the initial value is 0. Okay, till when the loop will not stop until 5. Okay, so I use while statement, then I less than 5, then put a colon. Okay, then inside we have to use the print statement, print, then bracket, and inside bracket double quote type a statement or word hello. Okay, and we have to apply also the I is equal to I plus 1, that is our increment value. Okay, now I go to save this file while dot save. Now we are going to run this file. Click on the run menu, then select the run module option. Here we can see that the hello statement will print 5 times. Now we have to see the other example of while loop is that suppose I want to print the value between less than 25 and 70. So we have to use working with two variables here. So enter comment and to print value of A and B. Okay, so here I take the value as 25, A equal 25 and B equal 50. This is our initial value, and we have to between numbers 25 to 30, that is stored in A variable, and 50 to 51 to 55. So we have to take this value between numbers. So I will type here while statement, then A equal, I put the condition less than 30, and is our operator, logical operator, that is give a result between two conditions, B less than 70. Okay, then A will increase, A is equal to A plus 1. Okay, and B also will increase, b is equal to b plus 1. Now we are going to print both statement. Print what print? We have to print a and b value. Okay. Now save this file. Then go to run and run download. Okay, so I forgot to put a column after here. Here we can see the example of these numbers. Okay, so this way we can use the while loop statement. Okay, now we are going to use how to use the break statement and continue statement. That's the first explanation. I here mentioned the break statement. Break statement can be used to unconditionally jump out of the loop. It terminates the execution of the loop. It can be used in while loop and for loop. The syntax is break. Then continue statement. Continue statement is used to tell Python to skip the rest of the statements of the current loop block and move to the next iteration of the loop. It can be used in while loop and for loop both. So let's see one example of each break statement and continue statement. So here we have the example. I have to print some word hello. Okay, so break statement. Okay, and I use within for loop for letter in, and this is my word. I use this word hello. Okay, and put a column. You can take Python word as also, so I put here Python. Okay. Then inside I give condition if letter reach edge. So my loop will be break and it will print the remaining letters. So in this letter variable I store this word Python. Okay, and when it print pyt, okay, so when it reaches to s, it stop. That means it will break and print the remaining letters pyt. So let's see the output. So I just save, first of all save this file, and I break the statement right here. Break statement dot by. Okay, then click on the run view, and here we can see this result. Okay, now let's see the example of continue statement. Go to the file, then new file. I already explained about the continue statement, so let's see the example. So I just put a comment Python continue statement. Okay, and for I use here for loop letter in. Again I use same word Python. Okay, so here we have to check the condition if letter equal hash. Okay, then it will continue. Okay, and print the remaining letters. Okay, here in this condition we use the continue statement. So when the letter variable stored this string Python. Okay, so it will, when if my condition it will reach from s, it will not skip any part. It will skip this letter, but remaining it will also show the further letters also. So let's see the result first. I am going to say this file continuous statement. .py. Okay, we run and run it. Okay, pyt h will skip and further, and it go ahead and print the other letters on. So this way we can use while loop, break statement and continuous statement. So do the practice all these things. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.